How to add smooth transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page from the bottom menu. This is where you can see your timeline and make most of the edits. Next, select the clip where you want to add the transition. Make sure there's either a cut between two clips or a bit of extra footage for the transition to blend smoothly. If your clips are tightly trimmed, transitions might not apply properly, so leave a few frames of overlap if possible. Now, go to the effects panel on the top left corner and choose the video transition section. You'll see a list of available transitions like cross dissolve, smooth cut, and many more. You can preview each transition by hovering over it. Drag your preferred transition and drop it directly between the two clips on your timeline. To make it smoother, click on the transition in the timeline and adjust the duration by dragging the sides or changing the time in the inspector panel. You can also tweak the transition type and aging options in the inspector to better match your editing style. You can repeat the same process for other cuts to maintain a consistent and polished look throughout your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add smooth transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.